date, we knew Notion as a productivity and documentation tool, but Notion is a great task management tool in disguise. Here, we will show you how exactly your team can make good use of Notion to monitor their productivity and distribute tasks super easily.
First up, Notion as a task manager. With Notion, you can easily manage your tasks, projects, and workflows. Tasks can be easily moved about using a straightforward drag and drop interface. You can personalize the columns to reflect your workflow. Second is task lists. Task lists on Notion provide a detailed organization within pages. Checkboxes, due dates, and priority tags help you stay on top of your task. Group similar tasks under headers or subtasks to add even more structure. However, Notion offers more than just task management. Collaborate with your team. Assign tasks and set due dates and priorities. Collaborating in real time is simple by just mentioning your team members in comments to keep everyone updated. And the cherry on top, reminders and notifications. Set reminders for deadlines or important tasks. Stay updated with notification for changes, comments, or mentions in tasks. Notion makes sure your to-do list never gets overlooked. Notion, your go-to tool for task management that's collaborative, user-friendly, and keeps you on track. Try Notion today and redefine how you manage your task.